Today we're at the Murray Hill Neighborhood Kitchen Remodel project. We worked with Gwen and Richard a couple of years ago on a custom entertainment piece. They were thrilled with the completed piece and said they would be calling us back when they were ready to remodel their kitchen. We stayed in touch and now the timing was right. When we met to discuss their dream kitchen, some of the wish list items included pull-out waste recycle bins, increased storage solutions, spice storage, conveniently accessible, keep the natural hard maple flooring which ran throughout the house, not feel crowded in the space, have more countertop space to the right and left side of the range, and equally as important is a vented microwave hood. Some of the unique aspects of this project were using the area under the stairway for a large built-in pantry. It really helped to increase accessibility to dry goods storage, made it a much more functional area as well. During the design process, we struggled with the current location of the existing first floor bathroom. When the decision was made to relocate it to the other side of the kitchen, this provided the possibility of adding a peninsula into the design. It also opened up the area very nicely. One of the challenges on this kitchen were the inconsistency of the exterior walls, keeping the wall cabinets aligned with the base cabinets when things were out of plumb. We fabricated a couple of new end panels because we wanted a clean look and a clean fit with the cabinets at the end of the cabinet runs. So rather than use filler strips, we scribed these wider end panels. It just gave it a much cleaner look. Some of the reactions were received from our client when the project was completed. First one was, wow, better than I imagined. They loved the increased countertop space to work with, the new oversized drawers for bigger kitchen items such as pots, pans, bowls, and more. The new design helped them to have a better organizational structure with more room to move around. They also appreciated the dedicated storage spaces for larger kitchen items. They love their new appliances. Overall, completely thrilled with this kitchen remodel project.